Alright, this is a 2018 Ford F-150 Platinum, and it's on lease, so it's going back next month. I've had it for 3 glorious years, but now we are moving on to our 2021 Ford Explorer ST. And here are some things that I will miss or I would like to have changed, or that will be changed in driving an Explorer over a pickup truck. So the one greatest thing is that this truck does not fit in the garage. And we thought we measured it when we bought it, but we brought it home and it literally sits right there. And then when this handle comes down right here, it hits the tailgate. Even with the truck all the way up on the front. So that was highly annoying because now it sits outside. And for all those people that have pickup trucks, you know how hard it is to keep this vehicle clean, or just the effort it takes into cleaning everything. And the one thing I'm not going to miss is when you open the doors and the step comes down, I always forget to clean that. Always forget. So then you open it up and the truck's all nice and clean, and then you have like huge marks and dirt, road dirt on it. So I will not miss that whole process. And it just takes forever to get this clean. And then it sits out overnight, and then it's covered with pollen in the morning on spring days, and then the fall it's covered with leaves. And those are our main offenders right there. But the one thing that I love is if I just want to go fishing or whatever, toss my stuff in the back of the truck and off I go to the lake or the pond to do some fishing. And it's really cool to have the tailgate come down and then put your tackle box there and do all your stuff as you get ready to fish. So that's really nice. I will miss that. But the new truck, the new Explorer, fits perfectly in the garage. We don't have that problem, so keeping that clean is going to be really, really nice. So for those people that run radar detectors, when you have a radar detector in a F-150, they do a very nice job of running the cable, having the power outlet right there so you can plug in your radar detector. And it's not a big deal. So let's see if we can do that with the Explorer, because we know that the Explorer is really, really fast because it's 400 horsepower. So let's see if we can get this thing to install nicely. Alright, so let's have a look here. So let's put this thing up on the dashboard. I think the sun is setting right here, so that might look. Alright, let's put that right there. So then we're going to have to run the wire down through here into the plug. So let's see how that looks.
X-band, K-band, Ka-band, laser.
Okay, so that comes around here to the side. And then we can close this lid, and there's a little lip right there. So, I don't know. It's not the greatest. Oh my god, that's terrible. It's right over the vent, and then if you put it right here, it's right up against the... Look. It's right on the tune button. Oh no. Maybe it'll be like right like that. Alright. Well, at least it works. Because this truck is really... I mean, this SUV is really, really fast. So we don't want tickets. And the one big thing coming from an F-150 is just look at the front seats, right? This truck is so comfortable. When you get out on the highway and you're going up to like Thanksgiving dinner to all the family up in upstate New York from Pennsylvania, the trip is just so great. Put this thing into cruise control with a lane keeping assist, and it just goes right along. These seats are super comfortable. Love the interior on the Platinums. The dashboard looks really nice. I love the way they did this. So yeah, we will definitely miss that. The wife and I love going on road trips, whether it's down to the beach, Long Beach Island. Great trips down there. The truck is really, really comfortable to take on trips. And of course the back seat, when you have other people with you, leg room second to none, right? Beautiful, beautiful. So the outright just space in this truck, it's not too bad in the Explorer. Seats are really comfortable. Haven't taken it out on any big trips yet, but it still has a lane keeping assist and the cruise control ability that the Platinum had. So that'll be great. And then the back seat has the captain's chairs. So I got hip checked by the door trying to open it. We do have the back down. So that's 4 people. We can fit 5 in the truck. But, you know, we could pop up the back seats if we wanted to. So that is some of the things to consider when you're moving from a Ford pickup truck down to an Explorer. Hope you liked the video, and we have more things coming, so stay tuned.